नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड इन अ वर्ड, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स। अभी हम लोग ऑफिस से आके बैठे हैं बिकॉज आज का हमारा प्लान था, आज हम यूसीएल चैंपियंस लीग के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, राउंड ऑफ 16 के बारे में। दैट वाज सो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. What do you think that Liverpool finished on top of the table of Champions League, but did it serve its purpose? Like, was it any
There
beneficial
was
for
no
us?
purpose. वो नहीं कहते कि God gives the biggest of fights to his most loyal, strongest followers.
Wow. What do you think about Liverpool versus PSG? You want to go for Liverpool versus PSG या फिर we should do that at the end?
We should do that at the end.
हाँ यार, अपना क्लब है, वो हम बाद में करेंगे, लास्ट में
कि
करेंगे.
obviously हमको तो लिवरपूल को ही रखना है वहाँ पे. We cannot be like कि PSG जीतेगा.
But then तुमने तो पूरा का पूरा क्लाइमेक्स बता दिया. Now what is the point of keeping it at the end? Let's just start it now. Okay, so Liverpool versus PSG, that is the draw. This is the first match that we are going to talk about. Now, I'm honestly telling you, of course, I'm a bit scared, but I'm happy that the second leg is going to be at Anfield. So I'm really relying on the 12th man, that is Anfield. And I'm thinking that that should be a win for us. Though I'm not at all saying that it won't be easy. I think for neutrals, this is the match to watch. Like, I think they're going to have a lot of fun in this particular match because PSG is really, like, you know, coming back to what they were, or maybe, you know, the way they are lining up and scoring goals. Dembele is in a good form. I think counting all of these things, it's going to be a very good match to watch for neutrals. But for us, I'm definitely going to say that Liverpool is going to go through into the quarterfinals. Like, you know, PSG को हरा के हमको आगे जाना ही है. अब एज लिवरपूल फैंस हम इसमें भाई कोई भी चीज़ नहीं इधर उधर बोल सकते. यू नो दैट हम थोड़ी अपने क्लब को बोलेंगे नहीं भाई हार के बैठ जाएंगे, तो it's like given.
But like अगर बोला जाए like the magnitude of the fight that is going to come Liverpool's way. PSG has recorded 5 wins out of 5 in their last 5 games. So they have 5 wins on the bounce. They have
not lost a match in their league.
They have उनका 2025 में ही maybe they have 5 wins and 1 draw. They are undefeated in 2025. Also they are 10 points clear at the top. We are 11 points clear at the top. चाहे जो भी चलो ठीक है. And
but guys, just comment down below. Do you think that Premier League is more difficult or more challenging than the French League?
Obviously.
No, I agree to that. I just want to ask people because see, I do not follow the French
Are we
League.
not people?
तुम्हारे पेजेस कब खत्म होने वाले? I'm like honestly already feeling sleepy. So I don't follow and we don't follow the French League extensively. So if you guys do, just let us know because I just don't think that there is that much competition. So PSG यार 1-2 winners ही रहने वाले हैं वहाँ से निकल के आने वाले. So that's what I feel. तो टॉप ऑफ द टेबल पे उनका रहना इज चैलेंजिंग और नॉट लाइक प्रीमियर लीग में रहता है. तो जस्ट लेट मी नो. बट आई ऑनेस्टली फील इतना टाइम नहीं लगाने वाले हम हर एक फिक्सचर पे. तो इस फिक्सचर में हमको लगता है लिवरपूल इज गोइंग टू गो थ्रू. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सेकंड मैच व्हिच इज Club Brugge and Aston Villa. Now we do know that Club Brugge और Aston Villa already Champions League phase में मिल चुके हैं and Club Brugge उसमें जीत चुका है. तो can it be a comeback sort of a thing for Aston Villa? I think it will be a good match. Honestly, I think that काफ़ी अच्छा मैच रहने वाला है चैम्पियंस लीग के हिसाब से. आई वोंट से कि न्यूट्रल्स के लिए दे विल बी रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस मैच. आई डोंट थिंक इतना कुछ थ्रिलिंग होगा. But considering that there will be 2 legs, right? So what do you think who's going to go through? Like, what's your prediction in this?
I'll try and think a little out of the box. I feel like Club Brugge will go through because they are clearly on the ascendancy. I would say कि Champions League के starting वाले phases में they lost a few matches. They also drew a few matches. But then their performance.
Atlanta के
against Atalanta was like their biggest test, and they came out of Atalanta with flying colors. Like. It was unexpected, so I feel like there is going to be this confidence bounce, and I feel कि Aston Villa already थोड़ा legged लग रहा है. Aston Villa is not at their best, I would say, right now. The way obviously they put up a very good fight against Chelsea and Liverpool, but then playing in the Premier League takes a little bit too much out of you energy wise. I
will absolutely disagree with you here. Like, I think Aston Villa is going to go ahead in this because yes, Club Brugge had its moments. Definitely they did. Playoff में बहुत अच्छा एटलांटा को हरा के वो आगे पहुंचे अभी इस राउंड ऑफ 16 में. एंड अगर हम बोले तो एस्टन विला को ऑलरेडी वो हरा चुके हैं क्लब ब्रूज. लेकिन अभी एस्टन विला ने फॉर्म पकड़ लिया है. हम उनके अगेंस्ट खेले हैं एंड वी नो इट वाज नॉट लाइक an easy game. I would say that हम भी अपने absolute best पे नहीं थे, but if you consider Club Brugge के against I think Aston Villa, Unai Emery is going to put up a very strong performance. I don't think Unai Emery has a lot of experience in
like in knockout stages or as such. Unai Emery is one of the best managers out there to in order to get you through the knockout stages of
तो
a
मेरे
competition.
लिए भाई it's Aston Villa who's going to go through and then it is going to be Liverpool versus Aston Villa. So then we will see what happens क्योंकि अगर वो होता है तो it will be a good fixture if we win and if they win. But if it goes by your way then it will be Liverpool versus Club Brugge and that is the story till now. Now let's move on to the next match which is the Madrid derby. Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid. I think for neutrals, this is the match to look forward to. I think everybody is going to have a lot of fun. Like I am
Seriously,
going to sit and watch every bloody thing of this match because it's going to be that good, right?
It's going to like I do not envy their fans because this one match is going to make you age like 2 or 3 years if you're like specifically fans of these two clubs.
Exactly.
The fumes, can you imagine? इस हिसाब से गंद मचना है इस फिक्सचर में मतलब I can only imagine like as a neutral I would love to see this match.
Like that's what I'm saying. I'm going to sit and like watch this. My main
भाई
focus
it would
will
feel
be
like
this
मतलब एकदम अनुराग कश्यप मूवी बनना है वो एकदम
Gangs of Wasseypur चल रहा है
कुछ भी चल रहा होगा कुछ भी like nothing is out of the syllabus in this fixture.
कुछ भी हो रहा होगा सही में, which is why I'm really looking forward to this match. And I think, see, when it's Champions League, never credit of Real Madrid. So I am going to say that it's going to be Real Madrid जो आगे जाएगा. I don't want it. I honestly feel that Atletico चला जाए because I know we have met Real Madrid once and ठीक है हम जीत गए वहाँ पे, but when it comes to these final stages it's not going to be easy. And अगर हम लोग आगे पहुँचते हैं तो सेमीफाइनल्स में going to meet Real Madrid and ठीक है यार फिर तो रहने दो, मतलब that's how it is the situation right now for me. So अगर एटलेटिको पहुँचता है वो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, but अगर मैं आपको फिक्सचर के बारे में बोलूँ I think it's going to be Real Madrid जो कि जीतेगा और आगे जाएगा. I don't think there is going to be like it's going to be a very interesting match for sure, but I think Madrid is going to like nail it and move ahead. What do you think?
मेरे हिसाब से भी like they are very equally placed teams. एक सेकंड पोजीशन में है एक थर्ड पोजीशन में है. 2025 में रियल मैड्रिड हैज गॉट 3 wins 2 draws 1 loss and Atletico Madrid has 2 wins 3 draws 1 loss. तो
भाई ला लीगा का क्या कंपटीशन
बहुत ही ज्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव चल रहा है.
Are you going to go for Real Madrid or Atletico Madrid?
Real Madrid obviously. Champions League and Real Madrid are a match made in heaven.
Yeah.
Or maybe hell, I do not know.
Yeah, that is going to happen. Like 90 minutes like the scoreline is 3-0, you're very comfortably winning and suddenly you lose focus and that is when Real Madrid will hit you and the scoreline would be 4-3. Like it just happens like that.
100% Atletico is not going to make it easy for Real Madrid.
Yeah.
इतना मेरे को पता है कि मतलब
it's not going to be easy, which is why I'm saying it will be fun for neutrals to watch this match.
It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be too much fun. I can't wait for this fixture.
Yeah, I agree. So हमारे लिए it's Madrid that is going to go through, right?
Which one?
Atletico Madrid and Real. Oh, I said Real Madrid that is going to go through. Yeah, मतलब if you were not clear about that, so yeah. Now moving on to the next match, which is PSV versus Arsenal. I think, मतलब, what do you think? Go for PSV. Come on. Let Arteta not have anything season.
दिल कह रहा है कि आर्सेनल जाएगा. Arsenal will go through. I feel, but the last match, like the way we saw, like. They have serious issues with scoring goals and it's not all on their recruitment wala thing. They have had injuries and yes the way they play they have serious issues with scoring goals. Now PSV
we have played them और हमने अपना second team खिलाया था उनके against and they won that. But I like obviously अगर दिमाग बोलेगा तो ऐसे लगेगा कि आर्सेनल को ये फिक्सचर जीतना चाहिए.
Just because of the stature of the club अगर मैं बोलूँ तो फिर obviously Arsenal is the obvious choice. But if you go by the latest statistics and as such, then they have their goal scorers. Noah Lang है, तुम्हारा Luke De Jong है, Bakayoko है, Ricardo Pepi है. Like they have a lot of options going forward in order to score goals, but Arsenal do not have anybody. They are depending upon Mikel Merino in order to get them across the line, which is not a very comfortable position to be in.
But
against
PSV,
a team like PSV that is so attack minded, that is they're relentless, they're very attack minded team.
Yeah.
उनका transitions बहुत fast है, उनका high press करता है, everything is like very heavy metal. So if we are going to see एकदम प्रॉपर मतलब पॉइंट टू पॉइंट मैन टू मैन बेसिस पे अगर देखने जाए, देन पीएसवी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ अटैकिंग थ्रेट्स, आर्सेनल डू नॉट हैव एनी.
But so you are going to go with PSV in this?
I am going to go with
That
PSV.
is nice. I am going to go with the obvious choice here. I think obvious choice I'm saying to Arsenal because I think that they are going to go through like in this particular fixture. I don't know आगे जाके क्या होगा क्या नहीं, वो बात की बात है. But PSV versus Arsenal, I think Arsenal is going to back it home. That's what I feel. Now please do comment down below your predictions as well. We would love to know what you guys think about it. Let's move on to the next match, which is Benfica and Barcelona. So Benfica and Barcelona already met in the Champions League stage, and of course it was a very thrilling match.
Very
तो
thrilling
5-4
match.
end हुआ था.
And Champions League, I read somewhere that like, Champions League history का पहला 5-4 है वो.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it was the first 5-4 fixture in Premier UCL
9
history.
goals scored in that. There was a red card. Proper drama हुआ था उस मैच में. तो अभी 2-legged मैच होने वाला है ये. तो what do you think? Benfica और Barcelona? Like I think it's going to be Barcelona. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा लग रहा है कि कहीं पूरा नैरेटिव इस बार चैंपियंस लीग का ये ना बन जाए कि एल क्लासिको होगा फाइनल, और बहुत संभावना है उसका होने
हो
की.
सकता है, हाँ.
या एल क्लासिको हो सकता है, एंड आई थिंक दैट विल बी द बिगेस्ट मैच एवर. बहुत अच्छा होगा. नहीं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग बहुत अच्छा होगा. इफ दैट हैपेंस आई रियली वांट अस टू स्टे.
But I should say कि if not एल क्लासिको, अगर लिवरपूल वर्सेस बार्सिलोना अगर फाइनल होता है चैंपियंस लीग, आई डू नॉट थिंक आई विल हैव वन सिंगल हेयर ऑन द top of my head the next morning, whatever may be the result.
Oh my god.
It's going to be so intense. I would be so nervous. I would be shitting goal breaks out of my ass, but I do not know. It would be very high octane.
बार्सिलोना सबके साथ बदला अपना पूरा ले रहा है, ठीक है, चाहे वो बायर्न हो, चाहे वो मैड्रिड है, मतलब कुछ मर्जी है. आई थिंक पीएसजी के साथ नहीं हुआ है, राइट? तो वही अगर अभी पीएसजी वर्सेस बार्सिलोना एक वो बन जाता तो
वो भी
अलग
बन
बात
सकता है.
थी.
मतलब हाँ, like there are a lot of mini narratives at play this time कि बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन में मैचेस हो सकते हैं जो
बार्सिलोना जो अपना चुन के बदला ले सकता है जहाँ पे लाइक ऑनेस्टली फॉर बार्सिलोना बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. बट बार्सा के लिए अगर मैं बोलूँ बेंफिका के अगेंस्ट, आई सीरियसली फील दैट बार्सिलोना विल गो अहेड इन दिस वन. तो मेरे लिए इट्स गोइंग टू बी बार्सिलोना. आई थिंक आराम से जीत जाना चाहिए उनको.
मेरे लिए भी है बार्सिलोना ऑब्वियसली, बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इजी फिक्सचर, बिकॉज अगर तुम देखोगे तो 2025 बेंफिका इज सेकंड इन द लीग एंड दे आर अनडिफीटेड इन 2025. आई थिंक दे हैव 4 wins and 1 draw, and also Di Maria is on 14 goals, Pavlidis is on 16 goals, Kokcu, if I'm saying right, Orkun Kokcu or Kokku, जो भी है किसी, तो I feel it's going to be
Are you going to go with Benfica?
I don't feel like going with Benfica in this because it's Barcelona and they are playing at a very high level.
Way, what I feel is, let me put it in like into very few words. I think what you are saying is it's going to be a very thrilling match.
Yeah.
And Barcelona is going to go through, right?
Yeah.
I feel it might not be that thrilling, and Barcelona is going to go through. Like this is the narrative, right? Yeah. So it's Barca for both of us. Let's move on to the next match, which is Dortmund and Lille. Okay, very quick prediction on this one. I think I don't know why I feel Lille will go through. Like it's very different prediction. Dortmund is not having that good a season, and if you have seen Lille in Champions League, I think they have very good goal scoring opportunities. That's why I think that I'm going to go with Lille on this one.
I feel I don't know, मेरे को यहाँ पे थोड़ा लग रहा है कि maybe Dortmund goes through, but then on paper like with the forms and everything, if I am going to say, then I still feel that Lille has a little bit of a upper hand. But I feel like I have a soft spot for Dortmund. I really want to see them go through there, and Barcelona versus Dortmund would be a very good fixture. I feel.
Yeah.
Very good fixture. So उस वजह से like just because I want to see them go through. Yeah. तो उस वजह से, but then let's see. I'll pick Dortmund.
Okay.
I'm very confused. I'll pick Dortmund.
I'm going to pick Lille here. I'm going to go with Lille here. I think that Lille will do well in this particular fixture, but then of course आगे बार्सिलोना होगा जिनके अगेंस्ट वो सेमीफाइनल्स में खेलने वाले हैं ना, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट आगे लिल कर पाएगा कुछ, तो उसकी वजह से आई थिंक एक नैरेटिव जो डॉर्टमुंड वर्सेस बार्सिलोना का होगा वो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, बट स्टिल आई विल गो विथ लिल. आई थिंक इस पर्टिकुलर फिक्चर में लिल वुड विन. नाउ ओनली 2 फिक्चर्स आर लेफ्ट गाइज, सो वी हैव बुंडेसलीगा के 2 क्लब्स एंड जिसमें है बायर्न म्यूनिख एंड लेवरकुसन, एंड it will be such a good narrative going into this particular match. Again, like I said, जैसे एटलेटिको मैड्रिड एंड रियल मैड्रिड का मैच बहुत मस्त होने वाला है, वैसे ही आई हैव अ फीलिंग दिस मैच इज गोइंग टू बी रियली गुड फॉर अ न्यूट्रल वॉच एज वेल, बिकॉज जिस तरीके से लेवरकुसन ने पिछले 2-3 सालों में टक्कर दिया है बायर्न म्यूनिख को, कोई और क्लब नहीं दिया है, तो उसके हिसाब से आई रियली फील दैट this is a fixture for Leverkusen to win and go ahead. That's what I feel. I'm not like discrediting or discounting Bayern Munich. I'm not doing that. But मुझे सही में लगता है Leverkusen will seriously do good in this particular match. I'm going to go with, if we can call them underdogs, but they were the champions. Like, I don't know if we can call them underdogs in this one, but considering how many times Bayern Munich has won the league, तो उसके हिसाब से I will say that कि लेवरकुसन इज गोना गो अहेड. ज़ाबी अलोंसो का टीम है, जिस तरीके से ये लोग उठ के आए हैं, जीते हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू बैक दैट. आई थिंक they are going to have a good game, so I'm going to go with Bayer Leverkusen on this one.
I feel like going by the recent form of Bayern and Leverkusen, I still feel like Bayern has more of an experience and more of an upper ground.
Are you really like not agreeing with me on anything? Like, I don't understand, because I said Leverkusen, that's why you're not going to say that. Like, what is it?
I still feel like Bayern has the upper hand here. Like, even with Leverkusen, this Leverkusen is not performing at the level that they had set the previous seasons.
True, yeah.
They are unable to do that, but Bayern has somehow improved upon that. Bayern has improved a lot. So now, ऐसे times में, ऐसे matches में वो नहीं होता कि मतलब सोना और खिल के आता है, हीरा और चमकता है, तो I feel like कि Bayern would go through here. It would be a tough match, but I feel Bayern
it's going to be a very good match.
Yeah, it's going to be a very good match. Obviously, like Bundesliga है तो end to end होगा. Like I do not see
Leverkusen is going to put up a very tough fight, and similarly I can say about Bayern Munich as well. They're going to put up very good fight. But मेरे लिए it's Leverkusen that is going to go through. I don't know why he's not agreeing with me on anything. I think अगर मैं अभी Bayern बोलती तो he would have gone for Leverkusen. That's what I feel like. You don't want to agree with me.
No. I feel like Bayern will be going through here.
Okay. Let's go with that then. Okay, we have come to the last match, which is Feyenoord versus Inter Milan. So shall we go with our manager's ex-club, or should we go with the clear winners? I think in this particular fixture, which would be Inter Milan. But let's not forget that Feyenoord यहाँ पे अभी तक AC Milan को हरा के पहुँचा है, and I think that they have had a pretty good season. If I can say that, round of 16 में first time Feyenoord has reached. It's such a big milestone for a club like that, and of course इस fixture में Inter Milan is not new, so they know how to get results in the fixture. अगर मैं बोलूँ ना कि सही में अगर मेरे को चाहिए कि कुछ गूगली हो जाए यहाँ पे, तो ऑफ कोर्स Feyenoord के लिए आई विल गो फॉर. बट अगर मैं क्लियरली प्रिडिक्ट करना चाहूँगी, आई वांट टू बी राइट ऑन माय प्रिडिक्शन, ऑफ कोर्स इज गोइंग टू बी इंटर मिलान दैट इज गोइंग टू विन दिस फिक्सचर. दो इस बार इटालियन क्लब्स में यूवेंटस इज आउट, देन AC मिलान को बाहर निकाला है, Feyenoord नहीं निकाला है, देन एटलांटा को भी हराया गया है इस बार प्लेऑफ्स में. तो आई थिंक maybe पता नहीं, I can't go with Feyenoord. I don't think I would. I think this is a very good milestone, like I said, that they have reached here. But I think Inter is going to go ahead, and that's how the fixture will get interesting going further in the competition. So yes, I think it's going to be Inter that is going to go through.
Even I concur with you in that.
Finally,
I feel like Inter is operating on a higher level than the rest of the Italian teams. So Inter has been very strong, and it's I would love to be proven wrong, but I feel like it's going to be a comfortable win for Inter.
But it's such a proud moment for Feyenoord. I feel that where the club has been, like they're in round of 16 right now, and they're going to compete against such good giants of clubs. So this is a very good achievement for them. But now, since we have given our predictions, तो हमने अपना चार्ट यहाँ पे तैयार कर लिया है, बिकॉज हम दोनों के ओपिनियंस और प्रिडिक्शंस काफ़ी सिमिलर नहीं थे. तो लेट्स सी दैट जो अपना क्वार्टर फाइनल होगा, तो पहले क्वार्टर फाइनल में मेरे हिसाब से जाने वाले हैं लिवरपूल एंड एस्टन विला, एंड तुम्हारे हिसाब से जाने वाले हैं
लिवरपूल एंड क्लब ब्रूज.
लिवरपूल एंड क्लब ब्रूज. तो लिवरपूल एंड एस्टन विला से आई एम गोइंग टू से लिवरपूल इज गोइंग टू विन एंड यू नो लिवरपूल इज गोइंग टू गो अहेड इन द सेमीफाइनल्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Bruges. That's joking. Liverpool.
I was like gonna have a heart attack here. Like, what are you saying, man? Yeah, so यहाँ पे चलो we agree that semi-finals में लिवरपूल पहुंचेगा. Now the narrative is that there is like हमारी तरफ से मैड्रिड रियल मैड्रिड जा रहा है और तुमने बोला PSV और मैंने बोला आर्सेनल, राइट? या तो आर्सेनल या PSV वर्सेस रियल मैड्रिड जब होगा then you know who's going to win it.
I feel like there is no question that चाहे Arsenal जाए चाहे PSV जाए, it's
does
going to
not
be Real
matter.
Madrid.
It's going to be
winning.
Real Madrid that is going to win it, and there is going to be a semi-final which I'm going to dread and hate the most. Like I would not want it, but मतलब जैसे तैसे करके अगर PSG सही में जीत जाता है so they're gonna go ahead. But since it's our prediction and we are backing Liverpool, तो लिवरपूल वर्सेस रियल मैड्रिड का सेमीफाइनल्स होने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. जैसे कुर्टुआ ने भी बोला था that he's really looking forward to play against Liverpool again, and this time they think that they can win it. Like no more narratives, please.
भाई please और नहीं.
बहुत हो गया. So yeah, सेमीफाइनल 1 जो होने वाला है वो लिवरपूल वर्सेस रियल मैड्रिड में होने वाला है. दैट्स आवर प्रेडिक्शन. हम डिफरेंट क्लब्स को चूज करके पहुंचे वही हैं, राइट? Now let's move on to the other one. तो Benfica and Barcelona में I said Barca, you said Barca, right?
Yeah.
Then Dortmund and Lille में you said Dortmund, I said Lille. तो चाहे जो भी हो, what do you think? It's going to be Barcelona going ahead?
Obviously it's going to be Barcelona.
I agree to that as well. तो हमारा जो first semi-finalist आया है उधर से that is Barcelona. दोनों का same है again. Then moving on to Bayern and Leverkusen, and मेरा था Leverkusen, तुम्हारा था Bayern. Yeah. नाउ फाइनल इंटर मिलान में मेरा था इंटर, तुम्हारा था इंटर, राइट?
हाँ.
तो इंटर एंड बायर्न लेवरकुसन एंड इंटर एंड बायर्न म्यूनिक में कौन आगे जाएगा? ओके, नाउ दैट इज अ थिंग टू थिंक अबाउट. लाइक दिस इज वन.
मुझे पता है कौन आगे जाएगा. आई विल से इंटर. बायर्न म्यूनिक और इंटर मिलान में होगा. इंटर इज गोइंग टू गो थ्रू.
So sure about
yeah,
that?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Okay, so you're saying Inter in this. I will say I'm also going to go with Inter. I think that Inter is going to go ahead. तो हमारा again semi-final 2 जो होने वाला है that is going to be between Barcelona and Inter Milan, and भाई क्या तगड़ा होने वाला है ये semi-finals. At least by predictions, if that is how it is going to be, तो this is how it will be. तो हम दोनों के semi-final same हुए, Real Madrid and Liverpool, then Barcelona and Inter Milan. अब आती है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट घड़ी. रियल मैड्रिड एंड लिवरपूल में हु इज गोइंग टू विन एंड गो अहेड इन द फाइनल्स? चलो लेट्स डू द अदर वन. बार्सिलोना एंड इंटर मिलान में हु इज गोइंग टू विन एंड गो अहेड? भाई मुझे सही में लग रहा है इट्स गोइंग टू बी बार्सिलोना. सही में इट्स गोइंग टू बी
बार्सिलोना.
चलो नहीं, बट इफ यू फील अदरवाइज यू से अदरवाइज.
I feel like there is a possibility Inter might go through, but if I had to make a prediction, like अगर मेरे 100 रुपए लगे हुए होते इसमें, then I would say कि बार्सिलोना.
तुम 100 रुपये ही लगा रहे हो बस, और नहीं. ठीक है चलो, तुम बार्सिलोना ही बोल रहे हो ना?
बार्सिलोना.
इवन आई थिंक बार्सिलोना इज गोइंग टू गो अहेड. तो हमारा फर्स्ट फाइनलिस्ट आ गया है विच इज़ बार्सिलोना. अभी रियल मैड्रिड और लिवरपूल, भाई अभी इमोशंस को बीच में लेके आए हैं. लॉजिक के बारे में बात करें या फिर सही में जो हो सकता है उसके बारे में बात करें? आई डोंट नो क्या करें. लाइक सीरियसली लिवरपूल वर्सेस रियल मैड्रिड, मतलब सही में किसी को भी बोल दोगे ना, एवरीबडी वुड नो द आंसर एंड एवरीबडी नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन द फाइनल्स. बट एज लिवरपूल फैंस मैं अपने क्लब को छोड़ दूँ क्या सेमीफाइनल्स में कि नहीं भाई मेरे को नहीं लगता है तुम कर पाएगा, छोड़ो. लाइक व्हाट टू डू? इट इज
नहीं, I feel like we are underselling our own team a lot. नहीं, I feel like
let's back our team. Let's back our team.
Yeah, this team
has
prediction
में तो कर सकते हैं ना, बाद में जो भी हो.
I think Liverpool, I am sure Liverpool will go through.
See, I'm not very sure, but I want Liverpool to go through. I'm not sure because I know how this fixture has traumatized me and given me sleepless nights, and I have cried myself to sleep because of this particular fixture. Now if we meet in semi-finals, I know how hard it would be to, like, you know, get the energy to move on. So which is why at least in my predictions I have to back my club, and I'm going to say it's going to be Liverpool. Liverpool is going to go ahead. I don't know what is going to happen in reality, but Liverpool is going to go ahead for me. जो होगा reality में वो reality face करेंगे. At least dreams में मेरे को खुश होने दो. Final is going to be
नहीं, reality भी वही होगा.
Okay, so Liverpool versus Barcelona is going to be the final. Then corner taken quickly. I don't know what will happen. Oh my god, but we met in semi-finals. We met in semi-finals, Barcelona को उस time पे that Tottenham के against we won the final. That's how it went for us. But meeting Barcelona in finals, बाप रे बाप, going to be a very difficult one. But अगर हम यहाँ तक लिवरपूल को लेके ही आए हैं तो ये तो बड़ा बाइस वाला हो गया ना कि हम लिवरपूल को हारते देख ही नहीं पाएंगे, तो फाइनल्स में जाके लिवरपूल ही तो जीतेगा, और कौन जीतेगा बताओ तुम. I want us to win the Champions League. I do. But गोइंग अहेड, बट फाइनलिस्ट जो मेरे रहे हैं वो है बार्सिलोना लिवरपूल, एंड इससे ज़्यादा हम प्रिडिक्शन नहीं करेंगे. इवन यू आर नॉट गोना डू दैट, आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट. लाइक वॉट एवर हैपन्स हम अपने प्रिडिक्शन का रिव्यू करेंगे फॉर श्योर. लाइक एक बार चैम्पियंस लीग राउंड ऑफ 16 होने दो, देन वी विल सी व्हाट हैपन्स कि कितना हम लोग सही थे कितना गलत थे. सो दिस इज़ द वीडियो गाइज. Please do comment down below what you think about it. Like, do you agree with me or you agree with his route to semi-finals or finals? But पहुँचे हम दोनों सेम ही जगह पे हैं, जैसे तैसे करके डिफरेंट क्लब्स चूज करके पहुँचे हैं. So this is the video.
2 महीना दो, completely different कोई 2 टीम्स खेल रहे होंगे मे बी फाइन.
That is the beauty of Champions League. Like, you know, we watch, we wait for these.
This is a disclaimer.
nights.
We do not state that this is what is going to be like. We
अरे हम पंडित थोड़ी हैं.
हाँ सही में.
पर हम पंडित
There is a
हैं.
very huge possibility दोनों में से कोई भी ना पहुंचे शायद बाद में जाके.
हाँ हो ही सकता है, क्यों
हो
नहीं.
सकता है. लेकिन उस वाले मतलब फ्रॉम द अदर साइड, लाइक बार्सिलोना वाले साइड से अगर हम लोग देखने जाए तो वहाँ से बार्सिलोना हैज अ रियली गुड चांस ऑफ मेकिंग इट टू द फाइनल.
Honestly, like that side seems something that Barcelona should. They are on an advantage here, and I think that finals में बार्सिलोना को जाने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता. लेकिन अगर हम इस दूसरे ग्रुप का बात करेंगे,
यहाँ से मतलब बहुत सारे
combination
हर एक क्लब का काफी चांस है.
Exactly.
It can be either Liverpool, it can be PSG, it can be
So
Real
the
Madrid,
route to finals
Atletico.
is going to be very difficult
Yeah,
for whichever club that is going to go ahead and get into finals. That's what I feel. So yeah, this is the video guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to comment down below your own predictions, and don't like get too angry with our predictions. हम भी बस बेचारे इंसान ही हैं जहाँ पे predict कर रहे हैं what we think about it. Yeah, so that is the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.